What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and Merry Christmas. For those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, and happy holidays, and of course, Happy New Year. 2024 has been an unbelievable journey, ending with 25 videos in a row, and today is Vlogmas day number 25. I'm not selling you nothing in today's video. I'm not doing a ball review. I'm not doing a ball comparison. I'm not doing a tutorial. I'm not doing a how-to video, nothing today. Today is strictly appreciation. And not just appreciation for me, appreciation from the entire bowling community. So one of the things that I did was I reached out to basically every single influencer that is bowling related, that I could get a hold of. There's some people that I just couldn't get a hold of. And I asked them a pretty simple question. I said, hey, will you join me in wishing the bowling community a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year? And I gave them pretty simple rules, 30 seconds max, and just make it your own. So when I'm done talking, I'm gonna cut now to show you all these bowling influencers who share the same mindset as me of appreciation, thank you, happy holidays, and like we literally could not do this without you guys. So I'm gonna leave no links in the description to purchase anything. We're not selling anything. All I'm gonna do in the description is leave the link of everyone's channel who participated in this Merry Christmas video of this Vlogmas day number 25. And I strongly believe in the rising tide lifts all ships, because the more subscriber one person has, the more subscribers we can all have. And I really believe, and I've always believed this, even from when I had 500 subscribers, from when I had 100 subscribers, all the way to now, currently at 43,000, that we can't do this without you guys. And the more subscriber one has, the more we all can have. So again, my name is Lewis. Thank you so much for 2024, and 2025 is gonna be just that much bigger, that much better, and we can't do it without you. So we'll see you next year.
Yo, what's up, guys? Jesse here from the Darren Tank channel, representing Las Vegas bowling and online content creation in the bowling world. Just want to say happy holidays. Thanks for watching Luis's channel. Check out all of the bowling channels. We're all one big happy family at the end of the day. So thanks for your support. Merry Christmas. Have a great time with your families. Happy New Year. Hopefully we can create some great bowling content for you guys in the new year.
What's going on? Charles Hutcherson here from The Hype. Man, shout out to Lewis for organizing this and putting it all together. Shout out to him. And again, all the bowling channels in the world out there, man. Let's make the bowling industry better moving forward, man. And again, positive. Of course, negative happens, but again, with every comment, hopefully we all learn something from it and we all can grow. And that's the biggest thing that I want to see and hope for in 2025 is just to grow, make better content, again, collaborate with people, other bowlers, other content creators, and again, really grow this thing, right? We're much stronger together than we are divided. So again, 2025, man, it's going to be huge. But happy holidays, man. Enjoy your family. It's very, very precious. Time is not, guaranteed. So take advantage of it, man. Again, love you all, man. Be good. Charles Hutcherson, man, and I'm out.
Hey everybody, it's Theo here from Real Experience Ball Reviews. I want to give a huge Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope everybody has a wonderful 2025.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, get out of the way. This isn't about you.
What?
Your time's up.
What?
Go away. All right. Chris Stones, Chris Cannon. Just wanted to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year.
All right, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everyone.
right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year from the Dynamic Duo!
Hey everyone, this is Josh Shoemaker from Josh Shoemaker Bowling Ball Reviews from Rochester, New York, inside the beautiful 12X Tech Pro Shop. I just stopped in quick to drill my physics black out before a league tonight, and just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Jeff Else, the Hebrew Hammer here. I just wanted to take a quick moment and express my gratitude. This year has been the best year for me as far as growth. I'm going to be bowling on the PBA next year. My sponsor board is completely filled up. I'm so thankful to those sponsors. I'm just super thankful for guys like Lewis giving me an opportunity to expand my reach. For us in the Jewish faith, we say Baruch Hashem whenever we're looking to express our gratitude for something. And I got my little menorah right here. So I hope everyone has an amazing holidays and good bowling the rest of the year in 2025.
What's going on, guys? It's Adam the Lefty here. I wanted to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Hey, it's Josh Tajiri from Tajiri's Ball Reviews. Just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Big thanks to Lewis for having me here on his channel, and I can't wait to see what's in store for us next year. See you all soon.
Hysterical.
What are we doing?
I don't know. We're close.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to the fans.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna say Merry Christmas from Lance,
And I'm
then
going to
you
say Happy New Year
Darren.
from Darren.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Merry Christmas from Lance.
And Happy New Year from Darren.
To the fans. Yeah.
Hey guys, Sheriff Langdon here. If you're wondering why the audio isn't synced up to my mouth, it's because Tubby right here thought it was a good idea to start filming without putting the audio input device into the phone. Regardless, behalf of Lewis and I, Merry Christmas and thank you all for the support. Keep striking.